Unpaid taxes cost the U.S. $1 trillion a year, according to the head of the IRS. And much of that money comes from wealthy people who cheat on their taxes. Now, the IRS will have $80 billion in new funding to go after them.
The question is, will they? Republican leaders in Florida don't think so. After the FBI raid at Mar-a-Lago, Governor Ron DeSantis tweeted, now the regime is getting another 87,000 IRS agents to wield against its adversaries. Banana Republic. Florida CFO Jimmy Patronis tweeted a thread on Tuesday claiming these agents will target the middle class and small businesses. But President Biden has been clear on who is being targeted, and the text of the bill backs him up, stating nothing in this section is intended to increase taxes on any taxpayer or small business with a taxable income below $400,000. Or any taxpayer not in the top 1%. Since 2010, the IRS has lost 40% of its key enforcement personnel, leaving it with the fewest auditors on staff since 1953, by one estimate. Back then, the highest levels of Americans' income were taxed at 93%, compared to just 37% right now. The result? The number of audits have dropped by 40% in the last decade to their lowest levels in 40 years. Often those audits are done by letters or phone calls on people who earn less money because their incomes aren't nearly as complicated as the wealthy. One analysis by Syracuse University found people who earn less than $25,000 a year were 5 times more likely to be audited than everyone else. In a letter to lawmakers last week, the IRS commissioner promised these new resources will meet the Treasury's directive that audit rates will not rise for households making less than $400,000 a year.
So the money has been allocated. Now we'll get to see if the IRS uses it the way they say they will. In the Tampa News Center, Evan Donovan, 8 on your side.